Going into sixth grade can be kind of a scary place.
I was stressed out about going to classes and not getting to classes on time. In there with all these really older kids than you, and it's just I don't know, stressful.
We kind of looked at information that we received from Washington County that indicated that there were a lot of girls who were experiencing some depression, and it really seemed to spike between the ages of about, 5th or 6th grade and then high school. I think it was a really kind of critical time for girls, and it's a very challenging time. And so, anything that we could do to provide some tools, I think is just helpful.
URU is for students entering the 6th grade from the St. Croix Valley area.
We partnered with Hidden Pines Camp, and we held a camp day there. We were really, really intentional about the type of programming for the day. And so we had some core topics we wanted to touch on, including relationships. So friendships are a big deal at that age. Overcoming challenges like anxiety is a big challenge with young girls, and body positivity. We wanted to give them just some really good tools around those 3 issues. We had a lot of girls that looked a little nervous. They looked a lot nervous, in fact, getting out of their cars. Some of them had friends, some of them didn't. We started by just getting into small groups.
On 3, 2, 1, go! Cheer, 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 cheer.
You had a leader, but they put us with leaders from girls from the high school the school that you're going to, and you got to be with people that were going most to your school.
Throughout the entire day, I stayed with my group, and we went through different cycles of activities, and we had 3 core groups. My group started off first with healthy relationships, and we played this game with red and green flags, which the girls really enjoyed.
And if it was something that you think was bad in a friendship, you would put up the red flag. And if it was something that wasn't really bad, you'd put up the green flag, and it was really fun.
The leader would go out and ask them, why do you think it's a red flag? Seeing them be so emotionally mature as only 6th graders was really just kind of inspiring.
The other thing about the days, we just wanted it to be fun.
And so they got to do camp activities, they got to do some arts and crafts things. The day wrapped up with a huge game, a big camp game. So it's just a really fun ending to what could have been a really big day, kind of a lot of feelings and thoughts going on. It was a really good mix of both.
By the end of the day, instead of the silence that was at the beginning, it was just a roar of laughing and talking and, oh, text me, follow me on Instagram, and we had people exchanging TikToks and Snapchats.
I also met some girls that were going into my school into 6th grade, and it was really helpful because a lot of new kids go to school starting at middle school, so I got to meet some of them before.
I talked to a couple people in my group, and I was like, so did you make any friends? Are you excited to see some of these people at school? And without a doubt, all of them said that they had at least made 1 new friendship. Hearing that and hearing just all the camaraderie going on with the girls was super rewarding.
I think the future is so bright. We're going to continue URU. We're going to do it again next year.
Anybody who's thinking about going to the URU retreat, I think you should go because it's really fun, and if you're stressed about 6th grade, it really helps with that, and it just made all my worries go away, and I was excited to go to 6th grade.